So in this video, I'm going to look at a keyword mapping. So this is a keyword mapping. So it's just an Excel spreadsheet or a Google sheet that has all the information about the website that you want to build. So for example, in this first column, we have the actual name of the web page, or rather the URL of the website, and then the slug. So in this case, our website is carpetsandmore.com, and then our different pages represent services, for example, so air duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, floor installation, pressure washing. What else do we have? Upholstery cleaning, and then we have some of the basic pages: about us, specials, contact us, and book an appointment. So that's what our first column is. So all the web pages on the site. Now the second column, this is where we have the keywords associated with each page. So notice that each page has more than one keyword. So we try to create a keyword group or a group of focus keywords for that particular page. So for example, on the home page, the keywords that we have associated with the home page are air duct cleaning companies, air duct cleaning company, carpet cleaning companies, carpet cleaning company, pressure washing companies, pressure washing company. So anything to do with air duct cleaning companies, carpet cleaning companies, and pressure washing companies, because this is what this particular business offers. And then similarly for all the other service pages. All right, so now how we get these keywords is through keyword research, which we won't get into in this video. We're just looking at the keyword mapping, so mapping focus keywords to a particular web page. So one thing you'll notice is that some of these basic pages or main pages like about us, specials, contact us, and book an appointment don't have any focus keywords. So now if we look at the third column, it's called title tag. So the title tag is, let's see if we can find one quickly. So for example, let's look at, all right, so if we look at a web page, we have the tab at the top. If we hover over it, in this case, the website's Acadium, is for Acadium. If we hover over the tab, we see the words Acadium and Acadium.com. Those words make up the title tag. So we want the title tag, we want to decide or write out what the title tag is for each page. And we want our title tag to include the name of the company and focus keyword. So one of the keywords from the keyword group or some keywords related to the keywords in the keyword group. And in this case, since it's a local business, the location. So I've done this for each of the pages, the home page and all the service pages. And of course, our about us, contact us, specials, and book an appointment page. Now, I also have a column right beside it with the length. That's the length of the title tag. So we want to try and keep our title tag within 60 characters, or rather we want to keep the name of the company and the focus keyword for that page within the first 60 characters, because those are the characters that Google or a search engine will read. It can be longer, but it may not get read by the search engine. So now our H1, our next column is our H1 header. So in the H1 header, again, we want to try and include a focus keyword or words related to the focus keywords on that page. It's not necessary that you include the name of the business or the location, but definitely some keywords or words related to the focus keywords. And again, I have the length of the H1 header. It's not too important how long the H1 header is, but we don't want it too long. And then next we have the meta description. So the meta description is a description that shows up when that particular web page shows up in the search results. So it's a little description about the page. And in this description, we want to include, again, some of the focus keywords, so what the web page is about, the name of the company, if it's a local business, and the location, and then a call to action. And again, we want all this information within a certain number of characters or within the first 160 characters. So that's why I have the length. The meta description can be longer than 160 characters, but we want that pertinent information within the first 160 characters. So again, I've written out a meta description for each page, home page, service pages, and each of the other sort of standard pages, about us, contact us, specials, and book an appointment. And then finally, in the last column, it says 301 redirect. So if this new website we're creating is of an existing website, we want all the pages from the existing website to point somewhere or to link to one of these new pages. If it doesn't, then every time someone clicks on one of these old pages, and they will show up in search results, there's going to be a 404 error saying the page doesn't exist or the search engine doesn't know what to do. So we don't want that. So what I've done is for each of the pages on the existing and old site, so in this case rugsandstuff.com, we're going to have that page point to one of the new pages. And that's what I've done. So any page on the old site, Rugs and Stuff, is pointing to some page on the new website. And in some cases we see that there is no page on the old site pointing to a new page, like for example, carpetsandmore.com air duct cleaning. There's no page from the old site pointing to that one, or being redirected, to that new page. That means there probably was no air duct cleaning service on the old site. So this is a keyword mapping keywords and all the other pertinent information for a website and the pages to the particular page. So one last note is, if we look at the first column and the names of each of the pages, the slug, or the portion of the name of the page after the domain name, is called the slug. So we want the keyword, if possible, or we want words related to the focus keyword group to be in the slug. So again, we're trying to include keywords from the focus keyword group everywhere within all the information in this table. So in the slug, so that's part of that's in the first column. And then we have our keyword group, and then we want to try to include some of those keywords or related keywords in the title tag, in the H1 header, and in the meta description. So I've tried to summarize some of this in the notes in the first tab, and I will include a template of this keyword mapping.